Hey, awesome tribe. I'm immensely happy and grateful to share my gratitude journey of 2021, this new year, with all of you. Today is the day 4 of my gratefulness, and today I'm grateful to the most important thing, the link between me and all of you. Today I'm grateful to the law of attraction. Yes, the law of attraction, the law of the universe that is always working and working for all of us. And this is the best creation of God, Supreme Being, higher power, the universe, that this system is there which is working for all of us. Now, I got to know about the law of attraction more than 10 years back. It was back in 2009 and 10 when I first got to know about the law of attraction clearly. Before that, I was knowing all these concepts and ideas that mind is powerful, and then whenever you really desire something, the universe helps you and guide you in finding those things. But I was not knowing how the universe really works, how the universe really fulfill your desire and guide you and help you in the direction. And that's when I discovered the law of attraction. I found the law of attraction, and that's when I got all my answers. So it was back in 2009 and 10, more than 10 years back. I found the law of attraction. It was the most transformational thing. It helped me understand why my life is working in this way, why I am becoming successful in many areas, and why I was failing in other areas, how to find the purpose of life, how to be happy, how to be joyful, how to do things that I really want to love, and how to grow in every areas of life. So, law of attraction has transformed my life. So, that's why today I am immensely grateful to the law of attraction. And I'm immensely grateful. Thank you, law of attraction, for coming into my life, showing me the path, and most importantly, giving me the opportunity to connect with my awesome tribe. And that's when I understood that I need to share my wisdom, I need to share my experiences with my awesome tribe, and want to help more people to understand the law of attraction and use it in their life. Now, first thing I want you to tell me in the comment that when was the first time you found law of attraction, which year it was, or how, or when you found the law of attraction, whether you found it through my YouTube videos or my videos, or there is other way you found it. But let me know in the comment when was the first time you got introduced to the law of attraction. Let me know right now. And the most important thing is, like, recently we have completed one of our program, 5-day live event on Zoom. That was New Year, New You. It's a law of attraction program to start this year with lot more positivity and energy and dreams and goals and everything. And it was in the last month of December when more than 100 people from all over the globe, starting from Australia to Hong Kong, Malaysia, Sri Lanka, India, Nepal, Dubai, South Africa, UK, Slovenia, France, US, Canada, and many other countries, people from all time zone have joined me in this program, and all of us worked together, and I took them in a guided journey to set their goals, desires, and dreams, and set their vision for this new year 2021. And so many of them are already manifesting their goals, desires, and dreams. And while setting my all goals, desires, and dreams, that's when I set this one desire that I'm going to share my gratitude journey with my awesome tribe. And that's why I'm sharing with all of you. Now, many people were not able to join the program during the last month of December because of some reason, and we were getting a lot of requests, emails, and lot of messages that they have missed this program and they want to be a part of it. And that's why we have decided that we are going to do a second batch of this New Year, New You program. We have already opened the registration today, and the new batch is starting from 10th January 2021, this coming Sunday. And those of you who want to set your journey for this new year with new energy, new power, new drive, set your vision clearly, set your dreams clearly, set breakthrough goals, and go forward and use the law of attraction, master the law of attraction with new energy, so that you can manifest all your goals, desires, and dreams, then be a part of this 5-day live event on Zoom. I'll be putting the link in the description. Join me in this program, and it's going to be a once in a year program during this time only, so that we can set the tone and vision for the year and we can go forward. In case if you have any questions regarding this program, then you can send us an email or you can write in the comment, and maybe I'll make another video in giving you more clarity on this. So on this fourth day of gratitude, I am immensely grateful to the law of attraction, and I want you to comment and let me know, when did you find the law of attraction for the first time? Second, your gratitude, whom you are grateful to today, or what you are grateful for, or are you also grateful to the universe, the law of attraction today? So let me know your gratitude note in the comment section, and I'm immensely happy and grateful. And if you are excited, join me on the second batch of New Year, New You program. Thank you so much, awesome tribe. Stay motivated, stay awesome.